Hello guys. Last class some of you asked me about this exercise. So we are in 3E from haese SL2, uh, number 6, letter A. Um, so the first part is really straightforward because it's asking for us just to compose the two functions f of g of x. So that means we're just going to plug the whole g of x in the place of x. Okay, that part is easy. Also, finding the domain is really straightforward because we have no restriction for our x here. Okay, uh, our problem is when we start thinking about the domain. So some of you saw the result and worked and were like, okay, but why? So let's think about this. To take a look and see what happens, we're going to plug a few numbers in x and see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to start with an x uh, equal to 0. Yeah, that's a 0. Sorry, it's an ugly one. So we're going to have 9 minus the square root of 0 squared plus 4. Once we do that, so 0 squared, 0. Square root of 4 is 2. We're going to have 9 minus 2, which is equal to 7. Now, what happens if we get a number a little higher than that? So let's add a 1. So we're going to have a 9 minus the square root of 1 squared plus 4. So 9 minus the square root of 5. Okay, because that's not really precise, let me pull up our calculator here. I did the calculations already for you. So square root of 5 is going to be 2.23, 224, rounding up. 9 minus that, we're going to have 6.76. Okay? Now, what's the problem here? I mean, the problem here is that what happens if we had, for example, x equal to minus 1? So let's plug it in. So 9 minus square root of minus 1 squared plus 4. So 9 minus square root of minus 1 squared, 1. So we're going to end up with our same square root of 5 here. And our same answer the same way. Okay, not going to do the other examples one by one, but I already have them here. So our next one, and I'm using only integers. I could be using other numbers, but it would just complicate and bring no real difference. So square root of 8, because why 8? If I had here 2, so x equals to 2 or minus 2, we're going to have 9 minus 2 squared, or minus 2 squared, 4, plus 4, 8. 9 minus square root of 8, 6.17. Okay, so let me add. And just going one more um, number up, if we get 3, so x equal to 3, 9 minus the square root of 3 squared, or minus 3 squared, 9 plus 4, 13. Okay, 9 minus the square root of 13 is going to be 5.39. Okay, so just adding the numbers here. So what can we see? That it doesn't matter what numbers I add here. So x could be as negative as I like, or it could be as positive as I like. Because the x is squared, it will always end up with a positive number that is going to be subtracted from 9. Okay, so what can we uh, understand from that? Let me get more space here. That no matter what values of x I plug in, I will never have anything higher than a 7. No matter what I plug in, all the numbers are going to be either 7 if I plug in a 0, or lower than that. Okay, so that's why our range here is y, given that y is less than or equal to 7. Okay, that's it. If you still have questions about that, please let me know tomorrow. See you.